Well, what we are seeing now is a massive political fight that has actually broken out after these claims. General V.K. Singh saying that the army paid money to the Jammu and Kashmir government to get certain work done.
And in fact, Tina, that is not all. We are in fact even getting a reaction from the BJP now, who are questioning the Umar Abdullah government, and in fact they're asking about the timing of this entire story. They're also asking the minister already named in the army secret report. The Congress has questioned the timing, and the NC, the National Conference, has demanded a CBI probe into this entire matter.
You realize the seriousness and the gravity of what you are admitting today, that the army and the army chief are aware of payments made to civilian ministers in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
It is nothing new. Please,
but nobody said it, sir. We don't know. No viewer on the news has heard it said before.
No, that is the problem. For the last so many years, since the independence of this country, this has been going on. This is a practice. This is a system to ensure that all the governments are helped.
That sensational admission by former Army Chief General V.K. Singh that ministers in the Jammu and Kashmir government had been paid to carry out army's work, drawing an immediate reaction from the Umar Abdullah government.
He should reveal the names of the ministers who have been paid by the Indian Army as he says so.
While Umar Abdullah's government has challenged V.K. Singh's claims, even some former top army officers reiterating what General V.K. Singh has said.
There in those areas, it is only the army which could have pulled it through and brought immediate visible, development to satisfy the people. So all this had to be done, and the General V.K. Singh has only told you what everybody who's operated in J&K knows.
Backing the former army chief in the face of political opposition.
We must understand that Indian Army spends lot of money on winning hearts and minds.
Umar Abdullah's government challenging General V.K. Singh to reveal the names of ministers paid by the army.
This matter is very serious. He cannot do the mudslinging. He is making everybody an army agent.
But the BJP coming out in full strength to defend the former army chief.
किसी फौज के अधिकारी को आप छेड़ेंगे, आप उसके खिलाफ साजिशों का एक अंबार लगाएंगे, एक अपने चतुराई के चक्रव्यूह में फंसाने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो ऐसे खुलासे और ऐसी बातें सामने आएंगी.
Political parties in Jammu and Kashmir questioning Umar Abdullah about the minister already named in army secret report.
On the one hand, these ministers, they are cursing the security forces, the army. They are demonizing the army. And on the other hand, they are taking money from the army.
This practice also helps in offering stability to a duly elected democratic government in the state. And to that extent, the present National Conference-led government should rather be grateful to the army.
But the minister in the eye of storm still evasive. Even as the Congress party comes out in defense of its ally.
सारी बातें जनरल साहब को रिटायरमेंट के बाद कहने के बजाय जब वो सर्विस में थे तब कहनी चाहिए थी ना.
Challenging retired General V.K. Singh to take names.
वो बताना चाहिए किस किस मंत्रियों को उन्होंने पैसे दे दिए हैं, उनके नाम बताना चाहिए.
सर, इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जाएगी इस मामले में कि पे ऑफ हुए हैं, मिनिस्टर्स को पैसे दिए गए हैं.
अभी वो कहते हैं तो उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन लेके किया जाएगा.
A whole new twist to the controversy. General V.K. Singh putting on record that money was paid to ministers, not to topple the J&K government, but to help it. Bureau Report, Times Now.